These are some Trane commercial air conditioners. Pretty sure they're straight cool units. And this one's an Odyssey. Kind of like that one at the Chrysler dealership that I filmed. Trane Odyssey. And unlike the other one I filmed, these are probably still in use. Yeah, I think that's just straight cool. And there's a little ductless mini split right there. Mitsubishi Mr. Slim. Trane, all three of them are Trane. Wish I could get a video of them running. Surprised they're not running. It's absolutely hot as hell right now. Look at all those lines. That one's a heat pump. It says split system heat pump. So these are some Trane Odyssey commercial split systems. 3 of them. And a Mitsubishi Mr. Slim ductless heat pump. These might be heat pumps, but can't see it. You know what? These might actually be heat pumps. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.